The Samsung Galaxy S24 is reported to launch in January next year, which would be earlier than the usual launch in February. The last Galaxy S series to launch in January was the Galaxy S21. Anyways, today we got our first look at the design of the Samsung Galaxy S24. The renders of the phone were shared by OnLeaks, and these renders reveal a familiar design language. As we can see, there is almost no design change on the front or the back when compared to the Galaxy S23. The Galaxy S24 still has the same vertically placed triple camera setup without any camera island, a flat display with a hole punch cutout in the center, and uniform bezels. One small design change is the placement of the LED flash, as now it is placed a bit lower than where it was on the Galaxy S23. But while the front and the back look the same as the S23, there is one big design change, and that is on the side. As we can see, the Samsung Galaxy S24 has a flat frame instead of a rounded frame, which we have seen on almost every Galaxy S series phone so far. And this change makes the Galaxy S24 the first phone under the Galaxy S series to have a flat frame design. And just like the frame, the buttons on the side are also flat instead of rounded. Now, many will say that this design is inspired by the iPhones, and they are not wrong. I mean, iPhone was the first to popularize this flat frame design, and now almost every smartphone company is following the same design for their flat screen phones. Finally, speaking of the dimensions, the Galaxy S24 is of the same thickness as the Galaxy S23, but the phone is narrower and also taller than the Galaxy S23. And well, that is all about the design of the Galaxy S24. There is not much information on the specifications yet, but one thing that is pretty much confirmed is the chipset. The Galaxy S24 will have either the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 or the Exynos 2400, depending on the region. This was not the case with the Galaxy S23 series, since there was the same chipset for every region, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. The S24 is also said to have a 4000 mAh battery compared to the S23's 3900 mAh. The charging speed, however, will remain the same at 25 watt. So, what do you think of this new flat frame design of the Samsung Galaxy S24? Do let me know via the comment section below, and as always, I'll catch you in the next one.